All right, you've made it to the Unit 3 test, the very first unit test assessment we have. And I know that you're going to want to get an A, just like my Bitmoji is showing there. Bitmoji looks exactly like me. It's just very uncanny. I'm kidding, but I can tell you some true things. Number one, the test is 25 questions. You have an hour and 10 minutes to get it completed. So, 25 questions, an hour and 10 minutes to get it completed. Um, Something else that you really need to know, one key thing to remember, this being the first unit test, modifications. Yes, the little chalk icon is beside the test. The essay questions are modified. There are 4 essay questions on the Unit 3 test. You're not doing none of the ones that you see in Connexus. You are only doing the 2 essay questions that you can find if you go right here to the link where it says modifications. You can do that right now. Even before you start the test, you can go ahead and write out your answer for the modification. So please go ahead and get that done and make sure you do the modified question. If not, Mrs. Klein and I will have to track you down, and sooner or later, if you want to get an A on the test, you will do the modification. So please, let's go ahead and get that done. Other things you might want to know about is, yes, there is a study guide for this unit test. I got the link there for you. Just click on that link to go to the study guide, and I promise you it's worth your time on many levels. One, it's going to prepare you for the test. Number two, if you do it in the Google form, later on, if you get a high enough grade, we'll give you 10 points on your unit exam. Now, that is a ridiculous amount of points. I'm not sure we can continue that deal or not, but right now, I promise you, if you do that study guide for Unit 3, you're going to get 10 points added on to the unit test. Your grade could be like 107 and in government. So make sure that you're getting that study guide done. You don't want to miss it. I got the link for you right there beside me. And the last key thing that I want to talk to you about is the expedition. If you haven't done the expedition, go ahead and get it done before you do Unit 3. I know you learned lots of great things in Connexus, and a few things come into our live lesson. If you didn't come to our live lesson, please come to our live lesson. But definitely go to the expedition. I have that link right there for you too. It is just all kinds of fantastic fun things there. So we definitely want to make sure that you're ready for the Unit 3 test. If you have any questions whatsoever, we are a text away. We are a phone call away. We are a webmail away. Let's get that A. If you need anything, let us know. Thanks.